Are you unsure that batteries work in your firearm? Instead of changing them, I have a great life hack for you. Just tape popcorn back near to the ceiling. Therefore, when those start popping, you know that then you need to go outside. I have seen multiple bad life hacks lately on internet, just so dumb. These are not meant to be taken seriously, just for fun. I'm not responsible if you use these life hacks. Please enjoy. Does the onion make you cry? Well, I have a great life hack for you. Just put on a plastic bag and start cutting. Then you'll have no tears. Maybe blood, but definitely it's not tears. Do you need to go to the number 2, but you are embarrassed of the sounds that the shit makes when it hits the bowl, and you definitely don't want the neighbors here? Well, I have a good life hack for you. Just scream, so neighbors don't hear the shit falling down. You just have made yourself a yummy soup, and now it's time to enjoy it. Wait, what? There is no spoons here. Oh, fuck. Forgot to wash them, and those little ones can just fuck off. But thankfully, I know how to craft one spoon for myself. I'll just grab a fork and some duct tape and just assemble those things together. Yeah, it's really not that rocket science. And now I have a DIY spoon for myself, so I can enjoy this delicious soup. Enjoy! Are you having trouble to opening up the soda bottle because you're weak? Because you're a woman and you're weak? Just bear with me right here. Yeah, listen up. So turn it upside down. Yes, upside down. You heard me correctly. Upside down. And now shake it. Shake, shake, shake. The pressure makes it opening up easier. Now just open up. Does your phone work really slowly? Like, you can't stand it. Before you throw it out, just try this one. Just put it on the microwave. The microwave releases the toxins that are inside of your phone. Put it up there and set the timer, and presto. You really don't have time to cook a meal? Well, I have a quick cooking tip for you. Just grab up your toaster, and then you'll just need some rice. This works also for pasta. Put those ingredients in there, and all this needs is water. When the water is added, then you just turn your toaster on, and voila! Are you too busy pretending to be a starving artist on Tumblr that you're actually hungry? Well, I have a great quick meal tip for you. And even it's vegan. Yeah, I thought that you like that. Heat up the pan. And then just grab some green post-it notes and put them on when it's hot. In dumbass, don't touch it. Grab some certain amount and put them in there. Grab some more if you are not satisfied with the amount of the green post-it notes that you already have in the pan. Add some salt there. Mix them up. If you feel a little bit adventurous, add some other spices there. And now smell the food. Does it smell pleasant? Yeah, I thought so too. Now take these post-it notes out of the pan. All of them. Don't forget the spices. Now when your meal is ready, I really don't know how to say this. Just eat it after you are done of smelling it. It really seems to be delicious, doesn't it? It's green, so I bet it's healthy. Cheers. Well, these were really weird life hacks, but thankfully this video is over. Last words from me. Follow me on Instagram if you want to. I'll also put some updates sometimes on Twitter, and remember to subscribe. And here's the footage when I realized that I made a terrible mistake by putting green post-it notes with some salt in my mouth.